Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys what do I think about diversification. Usually diversification is the method of splitting your money among different stocks, among different investments or different companies. So that is called diversification. We use this method usually to avoid risk and make more money. So when we diversify our portfolio, we do it in a way that if one company makes money, if one company loses money, the other one or the other two will make money. So we diversify our we traders diversify our portfolio on this method, on this concept, that we are going to make a lot of money by risking less and making more. So this method is not diversification is not a bad concept. It's a great concept that we can use in the stock market. If we use this method properly, then we can make more money out of the stock market and losing less. So this is something that this is the method that you should focus on. There are also pros and cons to using the diversification method, as I have discussed those in the early videos, so you can check those out as well. For now it's just like, for now I'm just saying that what do I think about diversification. So diversification, as I said, that it's not a bad tool to use in the stock market. It's not, sorry, it's not a bad concept to use. It only provides you with how the stock market is performing and how you can make money out of the stock market uh, when some stocks are going up and some are going down. So how would you make money in that situation? This is this method you can also use this method to research on different stocks, of how different stocks are performing. You can use this in this way as well, but this method is used mostly in for for trading, and for that, not for researching. You can also use it for researching. If you're a beginner trader, you are new to trading, then you can use it for researching and help you study different stocks, how they perform, and where do they make money, and at what point they make money, and at which point they lose money. So this is one way of learning trading in this of learning trading from the beginning. Like diversification, you should learn this from the beginning and know how to apply it to your trading. The concept of diversification is not that bad. It helps you in losing less and making more. So this is the one method that you should apply in the stock market. It will make you more money and lose less. So this is something that you should be focus on, and you should not try to avoid it. There is also a saying that do not put all of your eggs in one basket. So don't put, like, when you're investing into one account, then the chance of losing your money is more. The chance of losing your money is more and making money is more. So both are 50-50%. So you'll so that's and when you invest, when you diversify your portfolio, you are going to no matter how much no matter what, whether they are two companies or three companies, your chance of making money is 33%, 33, like split in three times. So for each company it is 33%. If one company, let's suppose, if one of the stock loses money, then there is a chance that you would make 66% of the profits. So, and whether if one company makes money and the other two loses, then the chance of losing money is 66%. So that's how the diversification methods work, like I've explained to you guys in mathematical form, in percentage wise. So you should so it shouldn't be that much difficult for you to understand how the stock market works, because the stock market can sometimes be tricky, and sometimes it's not that much. Sometimes I also have problems in understanding this. So now I'm fine with it, I'm okay with it, and I can use it properly to my advantage, because I've understood the stock market, how it works and how well it performs. So so try to understand, try to recognize entry and exit points at different level when you are using this when you are using the diversification method. Try to pick those stocks which you see are profitable and avoid those which you don't see, which you see as they are losing stocks. So try to invest in stocks that are going to make money, not lose money. So enter into those stocks and do not step back of those stocks, because those are the winning stocks that will make you money. Like as I've said, that you will have to recognize entry and exit points for the stocks that you are investing in. And once you recognize those, it is not that much difficult for you to understand like how you will make money out of the stock market. So it's not a it's not that much difficult for you to make money. Like for the far, I think that my what I consider is that stock market, the diversification method is not a bad idea. It's a great concept that you can use in the stock market to make money. As by using this method, your chances of making more money is is more. So you will make more money by using this method. If the stock market, if you apply the right strategy at the right time, you buy the stock at the right entry point and sell them and exit those stocks at the right time. So you're going to make money out of the out of the stock market. And and you and you will have to recognize the winning stocks, those stocks that will make you definitely make you money and not lose money. So try to so try to understand the diversification method. Try to use it as much as possible, because it's a 33 to 66%. So it works in this: either you make money 66%, or either you lose money 66%. And you make money 33% and lose money 33%. It works in this method. So the more companies that you invest in, the more your chance of making money is multiplied. So try to understand this concept and apply it to your trading. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.